Okay, girls, in this part we will study about how Sultan Mahmud rose to succeeded the throne and became the ruler of the Ghaznavid dynasty. In 997 AD, Mahmud, the son of Subuktigin, succeeded the throne of Ghazni, and the Ghaznavid dynasty have become perpetually associated with him. यानी उसके नाम के साथ ही इसको गजनवी डायनेस्टी कहा जाता है. He completed the conquest of Samanid and Shahi territories, including the Ismaili kingdom of Multan, Sindh, as well as the Bawad dynasty territory. By all the accounts, the rule of Mahmud was the golden age and the height of the Ghaznavid empire. यानी जो है वो, अगर हम ये कहें कि सुल्तान महमूद गजनवी जो है उसी का जो रूल है वो ही इनका जो है वो एक उरूज का दौर कहलाता है, क्योंकि उसके बाद उसका बेटा जो मसूद है, हमने पढ़ा है कि ही डिड नॉट इवन एबल टू कंट्रोल द थ्रोन एंड द गजनवी डायनेस्टी कोलैप्स. ड्यूरिंग महमूद्स रेन द गजनवी सेटल्ड 4,000 Turkoman families and near Farana and Khorasan. Due to Turkoman raiding neighboring settlements, the governor of Tus, Abu Arsalan, he led military strikes. The Turkoman were defeated and scattered to neighboring lands. Like हम ये कह सकते हैं कि the distribution और the execution of the Turkoman tribes, it held in the reign of Abu Arsalan, and the Turkoman tribes, they raided, they scattered from the state of Ghazni to the nearby territories, and Sultan Mahmud's Ghaznavi, the state, it collapsed after his demise. But the rule of Sultan Mahmud Ghaznavi is considered to be the golden rule. He carried out 17 expeditions through northern India to establish his control and set up tributary states. अब जो है, जैसे कि तारीख जो है वो बताती है कि सुल्तान महमूद, he was the person who raided इंडिया 17 times, यानी 17 हमले जो है वो उसने हिंदुस्तान के ऊपर किए. एंड द मोस्ट फेमस वाज ऑन द टेम्पल ऑफ सोमनाथ, वेयर ही got a lot of gold from that temple, and he is declared as the